configuration, again we can go to the complaints and second last option for complaint configuration. Now configuration over here, when we click on it, it deals with all the categories, natures, staff list that is configured into the system when it comes to complaints. So the first one, we can configure the complaint nature and staff category. So for example, these are the complaint natures already present from which the person selects the natures. So this is electricity, water, paint, etc. But if I want to configure another kind of nature, that is, let's say pantry, so I will add pantry over here under name. The order is nothing but the number in the list. So after plumbing, if it's the 8th order, then pantry will be 9th. This goes chronologically. The staff category will be kitchen, and this is how we can add a complaint nature. But if there is a complaint that is not in scope, then we can select this option. So what happens is that this complaint nature, if it happens to be not in scope of the organization, the complaints will not be added and only the remarks will be shown, which the customer puts in, and a message will go to the customer that hello, let's say for example, complaint is not in scope, and this is a message that will go to the person logging the complaint. You can again add the staff category and add it. So this is how a not in scope complaint nature can be configured. And yes, the message will show like LPG is not in scope and pantry is not in scope. And if your complaint is in scope, you need not check this box. If for sub nature of nature, then these are the natures configured: electricity, water, etc. But under every electricity complaint, there can be various natures. So under electricity, there can be a blackout, and if the blackout is not listed, we can list it also. So if I select nature as electricity, sub nature, you can see there is no light, short circuit, blackout, AC not working, one. But if I put another complaint like light not working, the order will be again chronologically 5th because the 4th one is AC. And again, if this is not in scope, then you can select this, but for now we leave it as it is. All the natures and sub natures, once they are added like this, they can be edited using this edit button on the right hand side, the blue one, and you can edit the name and the order and the message, etc. So apart from that, we will go below to common area list. Now the complaints can be relating to the common area from which the person has to choose the list. So these are the 4 common areas currently listed. But if I want to add another common area related to complaints, then we can add, let's say, common area 1 and add it. So this will get added, and while making the complaint, the person can select common area 1 as the new common area list. It has its own QR code like this, and it can be edited also. So this was all relating to complaint configuration. Thank you.